What's up, y'all? Dave Cuts here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a undercut with a taper in the nape area, and then a design. And to be fully transparent with you guys, I am not the best at designs, but I am going to show you guys some tricks that I learned that will help you with your designs if you are not super confident about your design work. So right now I'm just knocking all the hair down to a 1.5, and forgive me, that's my dog in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but I'm just knocking all the hair down to a 1.5, making sure that it's all even, and then I'm gonna begin the neck taper. And I start with my clipper all the way closed and just work notch by notch until it's open. I try to remain consistent as I'm moving from side to side and not go too high in one spot or leave one spot dark. But I am going to come back and detail this taper when it's all said and done. So now I got the number 1 guard on here, and it's all the way open, so that is going to blend right into that 1.5 guard that I use to debulk everything. So I'm not gonna have to use any guard higher than the number 1 right here. And I'm just gonna keep working on that taper until it's light enough. You see how I go to all the way to the right side and look at it, then look at it in the middle, then I'll move it all the way to the left side, because if you just stand in the middle of the head, or if you just stand directly behind the client, you won't be able to see how dark the corner is or how, you know, how light one side is. You want to make sure that they're even. So now I am going to begin the design work. And like I said in the beginning, I am not really confident when it comes to designs, but one of the tricks that I learned from a barber very early on in my career is, if you're going to do a design, especially if it's a freestyle, it doesn't really matter what design you do. It's a freestyle as long as the lines are clean and sharp. And that's what I wanted to stress to you guys, that even if it's not the most like intricate style and Instagram worthy design, just clean sharp lines are what's gonna set you apart when you do that. Make sure that that curve right there is, you know, nice and round, like it pops out. And right here, I'm gonna line her up, and you're gonna see on the sideburns, I asked her what she wanted to do. Does she want more feminine sideburn points where the point kind of comes out toward, like almost pointed toward the nose? Or does she want them straight down like ice pick sideburns? And she said she's not really into the whole feminine look, so she wants her sideburns straight down ice pick style. I'm like, cool, that's fine with me. It doesn't matter. Some ladies like their, you know, their sideburns to kind of flare out a little bit, have a little bit more of a feminine touch to it, but that's where the consultation comes in, and you have to be able to identify what is what, or what the client wants. And right here I'm using some Tomb 45 shave gel so that the shave is nice and smooth. Brush it in so the hair is all laying down. And I'm taking my Tomb 45 triple cartridge razor, and I'm going to clean out the lines that I made. Not trying to widen the lines too much. I really want to just, you know, clean the inside of it. And because we already did the taper at the bottom, the design kind of has like a little bit of a faded effect to it. It's darker at the top. So this is a very quick way. If you're doing 30-minute haircuts and you need to knock it down, do a design and everything like that, like this is a very quick way to get a design done, and still keep your client, you know, happy and excited about what they just got, you know, because that's what you want. You want your client to be like, wow, I really like that, especially if they ask you for a freestyle design, you know. If they come in with a picture, okay, you have to replicate that. But if they ask you for a freestyle, it's all from your creativity, from your brain. So that's something that can really be impressive to a client their first time into the barbershop. Just cleaning out this little circle, doing some last minute details. You see there's no redness, no irritation.
Yeah, I like that.
You like it?
That's cool.
Cool. Something nothing crazy.
Yeah, a little different there.
Cool?
Yeah, man.
I saw that, just line it up.
Yeah. I'm happy with that,
Cool?
man. I'm happy with that. Yeah.
Good.
Awesome, man.
All right, here's the finished product. Undercut with a design and a skin taper. If you guys like this haircut and you think this content is cool, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.